Ina na, natatatayan na ako sa anak ko. Reaction na tayo, let's go. Ayan, nakalagay dyan kay Mima Sasa Girl. Pinaka-friend ko yan eh. As in, friend ko yan eh. As in, talaga. Ito yung, Mima, kayo na nang bahala dyan. Kayo na magtatawa. Nakalagay dyan sa sa... Hindi ko na kaya na sabihin na hindi talaga nakakapigil ng tawa. Ito galing dun kay Main Pop Girl Stand Posting. Nakalagay dyan sa Inside Out. May pasabog pala yung comments. Inside job to. Insidious to. Inuwi. Inutil. Inside Out to. Maasim version. Intestine out. Puro disgust. Insidious. Inside the space of the T2. Now showy. Inside to. Low budget dedication. Nostalgia. Outside inside Taylor's version. Eyebrows. Summer inside. Disney. Inside to, palengke version. Inside to, explicit. It should be no showing. Inside Out, labas pasok. Snakes. Lugi ang dalawang angle.